We recommend that you service and maintain your instrument annually. Preventative maintenance serves as a routine checkup for your instrument to keep it always working in a safe and efficient manner. And that's adding value to your operation and not adding risk to your working environment. We recommend that your instrument has a preventative maintenance checkup done on an annual basis or more frequently for high usage environments. Our service engineers can help you determine the right interval for your current needs. Being consistent with your maintenance allows you to help avoid costs due to downtime, repairs, calibrations, or any other unplanned expenses. As part of our preventative maintenance and recertification service, here's what you'll get from our dedicated service engineers who are experts in their field. Hardware cleaning, so your analyzer delivers optimum performance longer. If you're having your XRF instrument service, we'll also provide a radiation safety check on our instrumentation, which is only carried out by qualified engineers to ensure safety to the machine's operators. Latest software, so if your instrument needs a software update, we'll also take care of this during your checkup. We'll also back up your instrument data. Restandardization of your instruments against traceable standards. You also have the option to add new standards or calibrations during this time as well. Additional training for new employees is available as an add-on service during your maintenance if you've had new operators join the company. These things help continue to run smoothly during the day-to-day operations, even after your instrument's PM checkup. Whether you're looking to perform regular audits or identify potential opportunities to upgrade, the annual preventative maintenance is a great way to ensure your instruments are performing at the level you need them to. If you'd like to learn more or schedule your preventative maintenance on your instrument, please contact your local support team or visit our website.